A car toolkit is also invaluable on the road. If you break down, particularly in a remote area, it might be the difference between a quick repair and a very long walk. We've compiled a list of the best car toolkits for amateur mechanics. There are many products available to choose best car tools kit, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any farther delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Crescent CTK 170 CMP2 Mechanics Tool Set. Crescent has been manufacturing tools for well over 100 years, and a company doesn't get that kind of run without building a loyal fan base. It also doesn't get that far without assessment and innovation, and this set of tools is a result of this process. And just like The Godfather Part 2 and Die Hard 2, it has taken the original, kept the best bits, and added a little sprinkle of extra quality. Speaking of tools, this is a really comprehensive collection. Some boxes are only going to come with wrenches and spanners, but that's not the case here. In addition to those core tools, you also have several different pliers, Allen keys, and a universal screwdriver tool. With a wide selection of well-made tools in a good quality case for a mid-range price. It'll very impressive. Number 2. DeWALT DWMT 81,534,205 piece mechanics set. You almost feel sorry for DeWALT having to follow up that beast of a kit. Almost anything is going to struggle to look impressive afterwards. Luckily though, this isn't just anything, it is, in fact, a very impressive mechanic tool set. DeWALT is of course extremely well regarded as a manufacturer of high-quality tools, and they have brought that reputation to bear here on this set of mechanic tools. What we do have instead is a total of 205 items, the vast majority of them being a very comprehensive collection of ratchet socket heads of every conceivable size. They are all built with the kind of quality associated with DeWALT, including incorporating the trademark DeWALT direct torque technology. This allows greater torque to be brought to bear via the wrench head, making fastening and loosening that bit easier. Number 3. Workpro 408-piece mechanics tool set. This toolkit from Workpro features 408 pieces, which means you get more than twice as many tools as some other selections. As a bonus, it comes with a 322-piece home repair hand tool kit. If you need a particular tool, there's a good chance you will find it in this set. These mechanics tools are contained in a 3-drawer heavy-duty metal box, while the hand tool kit comes in a soft carrying bag. Nearly all the tools you need for automotive or household jobs are included in this package, such as Allen keys, bits, pliers, a hammer, screwdrivers, wire strippers, sockets, etc. The aluminum box provides convenient storage and organization, so you always know where a particular tool lies. The hand tool kit carrying bag makes transporting household tools an easy task. Workpro also provides a lifetime guarantee in case you encounter any issues with the product. Number 4. Stanley 201-piece mechanics tool set. This is one of the simpler kits on our list today, a fact reflected in the sub-$90 price tag, making it one of the cheaper sets of tools on our list. What we essentially have here is a good quality set of ratchet wrenches. These are joined by a good set of spanners and a universal screwdriver handle with the usual variety of bits. Construction is good quality, made of tough steel with a polished chrome finish to protect against corrosion. It must be noted that whilst they are cheaper than the Craftsman tools we looked at above, it is missing some of the extras from that kit too. The extension bars are an obvious omission here. Still, given the relatively low price tag, it's hard to be too critical on what is a solid set of tools that could find a home in most mechanics toolboxes. Number 5. Craftsman 450-piece mechanics tool set. This is a very large toolkit from well-respected manufacturer Craftsman, packing no less than 450 individual items in a well-designed case. Despite the amount of items, however, it's not the most comprehensive kit in the world, and there are no pliers of any sort. One thing to note is that this is pretty heavy, weighing in at around 35 pounds. Luckily, the storage case has built-in trays that slide out, so you can easily store this on a workbench or shelving unit and just take out the tools as you need them. Or, if you're action star The Rock, you can lug it around with you. The choice is yours.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.